That's probably one of the most common questions I get from YouTube, that, Dan, how do I start with no money? How do I get started when I am in high school? How do I get started when I'm in my 20s? Or what should I do? I've limited resources. When you have no money, how do you get started? Very simple. You get a fucking job. Get a fucking job. You need some money coming in to do anything. You want to improve your skills. You want to buy that book. You want to get education. You need money, right? Even to survive, just to eat, you need money. You can't just wait around and watch a fucking video and bitch and complain and say, oh, what should I do? Do something. Get a fucking job. I don't care what job it is. Just to get some money coming in, a little bit of money. Nothing wrong with that. I was working in a supermarket, making minimum wage, washing fucking like cleaning toilets and stocking cans on the shelves. I went through that period of time. What's wrong with that, right? You cannot just say, oh, I've got so much pride, I'm gonna be a fucking entrepreneur. Get a fucking job. You can't even get a fucking job for being an entrepreneur, right? Do that first. Then in your spare time, the side hustle, right? On the side, then you can start something on the side. Now, if you have not watched my other videos on high income skills, make sure you watch that. In that video, I talk about the importance of high income skill. Now, what is a high income skill? I define a high income skill as a skill that can make you $10,000 or more per month. It is not a business. It is a skill set that you can develop, that you can sell, you can offer to the marketplace in exchange of money. You are still trading hours for dollars. However, you're trading hours for high dollars. And I gave you plenty of examples in that video, so I'm not going to go into that here. You can go here and watch that. So in your spare time, you're working your day job, whatever it is that you do. Nighttime, you develop your high income skill. You start earning more money. When your high income skill, let's say hypothetically you're making 2K a month from your job, okay, 2K a month, grand. And in your spare time, you're learning and developing a high income skill, whatever it is, the skill that you choose to develop. Then as your high income skill is producing and making you more money, it could be 2,000, 3,000, 4,000. Then you can quit your job and now just pursue this full-time. Get it up to the 5, 6, 10, 15K a month. From there, you're making money, you're paying the bills, right? You are eating. It's a good idea to eat, right? You are taking care of your family. You've got a roof over your head. You're making good living. You're a decent living, right? Then from there, if you want to, you can think about if you want to start a business, other options that you can pursue, but you need to get to that point first. See, the problem is with you guys watching videos on YouTube, you see all these people talking about entrepreneurship, about business. You want to get to this point overnight, or you want to get to this point without going through these steps. It doesn't fucking work. And this paralyzes you, because from where you are to where you want to go, like you're making fucking no money, you want to buy a Rolls Royce. Give me a fucking break. Who the fuck are you, right? You need to go from here. Let's get a fucking job. Let's just go from here to here. Get a fucking job. Making 1,000, 2,000 a month. From there, side hustle, right? High income skill. Go to 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 10,000. Get to that 100K a year, 200K a year. Now you are at a different place. From there, you start your business, right? You grow, you market, you sell. Then from there, you scale with your team. You get closer and closer, and then you do investing. Now you invest, you have your money work for you. Don't ask questions at this level when you're at this level. Ask questions at this level and go through this first. The problem is with social media that you don't know how to filter. You don't know how to think independently, and you don't know what is the right advice for you at this given time for you. And that's why you're confused. That's why you're overwhelmed, because everybody's saying different things and you don't know, okay, what's the right thing for me? What is the right thing for you is from here. If this is where you're starting, or if you're here, then take the advice from this and then utilize exactly what I'm teaching you. Go to that next level and next level. And then eventually, if you're fucking good and you're persistent, you'll get to here someday. but you're not gonna get there overnight. So don't daydream about, oh, people on Instagram, they are driving this car, they go on their vacation, they're living in their big mansion or whatever, and you're making fucking like nothing. Don't do that. Don't do that. Start with here. Get that fucking job. Baby step. As long as you're getting closer, every single month, every single year, you're getting closer to your goal, you're doing fucking good. Does that make sense? Comment below.